Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use ClickUp for project tracking. So first thing is just simply go ahead and click on one of your spaces, and you can just simply select create over here. And after that, just simply go to from template. So just simply select this one, and from here you could just simply have multiple template type over here. As you can see, you can filter it out. So this will be based on your own personal preferences, and you will have the complexity as well. You can go for beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And after that, you can just simply use the search bar over here and just simply search for project management and enter. And after that, you will have here multiple options, and this will be based on your own personal preference. And after that, you can just simply select one that you prefer, and you can just simply click on use template and just simply provide a list name. I'm going to go for project 1 and provide where should this list be created and click on use template. And after that, just simply go to one of your spaces and you will have the template over here, which is the project 1. And now from here, guys, as you can see, you will have a template in order for you to have a project tracking on a ClickUp, and you will have these multiple tabs over here at the top, and you can just simply select it, guys, in order for you to change it. And you will have here pretty much a pre-made project tracking for you, and you can just simply go ahead and change it based on your own project, and you can just simply rename all of these. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply comment down below and we'll do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.